Welcome back! Today, we are going to learn about long division with remainder. We already know that long division helps us divide a big number into equal groups. Now, let's learn what a remainder in long division. A remainder is the amount left over when a number cannot be divided equally. But before we start, don't forget that every time we solve a long division problem, we always follow these 4 easy steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Let's say them together: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. If there are no more numbers to bring down and the number left is smaller than the divisor, we stop. That number left over is called the remainder. Let's look at an example. Let's try to solve this. There are 23 apples. If 4 apples are placed in each basket, how many baskets can be filled? How many apples are left over? Step 1. Divide. Write 23 inside the division symbol and write 4 outside. First, look at the first digit of 23. Can 4 go into 2? No, because 2 is smaller than 4, so we look at the whole number, 23. How many times can 4 go into 23 without going over? We can use repeated addition or skip counting or multiplication to get the answer. Let's use repeated addition. We keep adding 4 until we get as close to 23 as possible without going over 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Oops! 24 is greater than 23, so we can't use 24. Instead, we use 20 because it is the greatest multiple of 4 that is less than 23. That tells us that 4 goes into 23 5 times. We can also use skip counting by 4 to get the answer. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4 can go into 23 5 times. Now, write 5 on the top. Step 2. Multiply the number on the top by the divisor. 5 times 4 equals 20. Write 20 under 23. Step 3. Subtract 23 minus 20 equals 3. There are no more digits to bring down. The number 3 is smaller than 4, so we cannot divide it again. That means 3 is our remainder. To check our answer, we will use multiplication. Imagine we have 23 apples, and we want to place them equally into 4 baskets. We put 5 apples in each basket. That uses 20 apples, because 5 times 4 equals 20. We still have 3 apples left. These 3 apples are the remainder. Final answer, 23 divided by 4 equals 5 remainder 3. This means it gets 5 apples in each basket with 3 apples left over. Let's review the parts of our division problem. 5 is the quotient, the answer. 23 is the dividend, the number being divided. 4 is the divisor, the number we divide by. 3 is the remainder, the number left over. Now, let's review the steps: divide, multiply, subtract, remainder. Again, the remainder must always be smaller than the divisor. Let's try another example. Solve 17 divided by 3. How many times can 3 go into 17? I used repeated addition here. I keep adding 3 until I get as close to 17 as possible without going over. And now, 3 can go into 17 5 times. Write 5 on top. Next, multiply 5 to 3 is equals 15. Now subtract 17 minus 15 equals 2. And the remainder is 2. So, therefore 17 divided by 3 equals 5 remainder 2. Now it's your turn to learn. Follow along with the next examples as we solve them step by step. And that's the end of our lesson today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.